Right then, guys, welcome. I've got some adventure time as sanctioned by my missus to clear my head. So I found some byways to ride. Alright, let's go. Let's see what this track's like. Got a nice chunk of time today, and I have got an adventure spirit in my belly today. Up early, ready to go out and have some fun. So it's a bit of a gravel track so far. Puddles. I think we're going to get wet again today. Massive rock bouncing off of the old bash plate there. That's good. That's what it's there for. I keep banging on about it in all these videos where I ride off-road, and it's what I say to myself when I'm riding off-road as well. But this is just absolutely brilliant. This is my kind of motorcycle. I can't believe it took me so long to figure this one out. You know, it was so obvious as well. Like, I love riding mountain bikes. I love being in the countryside. It's insane that it took me this long to get there. A lot of the times I've experienced when I'm on a byway at the moment is like, feels like uncharted territory almost. Oh, fly tipping, that is disgusting, man. You got to be a real scumbag to fly tip. Yeah, so a lot of the time it feels like you're discovering like uncharted territory, or like somewhere that hasn't been visited for a while. Like on this bit, for instance, it's like loads of fresh leaves on the ground and stuff. No real point to today's video other than the fact that you guys are joining me for an adventure. Man, I am feeling grateful to be out on my bike today, and also grateful for this weather. Look how good this is. Sludge, sludge, sludge. We've had a lot of rain. I think a lot of this is going to be super sludgy. This is jinxing it, but so far I haven't reached an obstacle on the Grom where I've been like, oh man, I'm going to have to turn around. Let's just stop. Look at that. Look how friggin' beautiful it is, man. This is great. That autumn sun kind of feels like spring sun, which is nice. I suppose it's very similar in many ways. But all these autumn colours are beautiful. Tell you what, in terms of off-road mods, I don't really know what I would now do to the Grom. It's pretty solid. I mean, it'd be nice if the forks were better. That's the only thing that really like sticks out as being a bit crap now. Because everything, I understand that it's limitations, you know. It's got small wheels, that's like a limitation. That's something you can't get around. It's something you just have to like accept. It doesn't have much suspension travel, you know. It's something that you're just going to have to accept. But the payoffs for taking a bike like this, the Grom off-road, it's like the accessibility is absolutely off the charts. Like, any rookie could bomb down a byway on this, just plodding along a lane like this. It's really good. Every last cliche about motorbikes, you know, being good for your mental health and all of that, 100% true. This is great. This is soul soothing being out right now. And if it's been a while since you've gotten out on your bike, then do it. Get out on it. Good morning. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. A side note, I think there's an innocence to the Grom that means that like walkers and stuff don't seem to get upset with you being on a byway. I was looking yesterday. Mine, Nan lives in Llanidloes in Wales, which the Tet runs through. So I'm really, really tempted to go and do a portion of the Tet on the Grom. What do you guys think? Should I do it? Anybody done that section before? Offer any hints, tips, advice? These guys are smoking weed. A byway is technically a road, so what that car has done is just parked directly in the middle of a road. I was like dreading the winter coming, so I was like, oh man, rides are going to be so much more hard work and annoying, which they will inevitably be. But so far, it's just been so good. Whoa, sludgy. Oh, that was a big puddle and a big bottom out on the fork then. I think as time goes on, I'm learning more and more that I really enjoy riding motorbikes as a bit of a lonesome activity. I like doing it solo. That's not to say that I dislike doing it with other people, but you know, I don't feel like I need other people to join me to have fun. Do you know what? One of the best things about riding byways is that you're far away from one of the biggest hazards to a motorcyclist, which is cars. I say that right as one shows up. He's flying. If the kind of like byway riding you want to do is just bimbling along and like taking in the scenery, the Grom's kind of a compelling option. Like, but if you want to bomb down it with like aggression and treat it a bit more like, you know, an adrenaline sport, then it's not good for that at all, because the moment you get on it, the suspension, mainly the front forks, just gets super overwhelmed. What a gorgeous morning, man. This is great, man. This is really good. Got ruts. Just chugging along. Oh, I'm stuck in a rut now. Probably should have thought about that before I went in it. This is pretty narrow here. Then we can go up this bit for a little bit of a challenge as well. A lot sludgier than it was last time. This is so much steeper than it seems. What was that? Wonder what the puddles like down here. Dude, they were bad last week, and we've had more rain, so they're probably even worse again. I'm so lucky to have this on my doorstep, man. This is not that far from me, and it is so good. Had a lot of sun this morning. That might have evaporated the puddles a bit. Look at this. This is like a utopia. Alright. For the puddles, I am simply going to slow right down and keep her moving. Nice slow speed control. I don't want to get really wet, and I also don't want to put my foot down, and I don't want to drop my bike in sludge. So slow and steady wins the race here. And same with this sludge fest. This is proper sludge here. Oh, it looks like some people have been through it today. Now for my favourite part of the byway. Gonna let these boys through. Okay, mate. Morning, guys. Can't believe how nice it is. Lovely. This time of the year. Where are you guys headed to?
Back to Swindon. What kind of way?
Yeah, nice.
Yeah. Where have you come from?
I joined in Malmesbury, then just followed a few byways. I'm just going to keep heading forward, following my nose.
Yeah. How you doing, mate? All right?
Yeah, I'm alright.
It's a Honda Grom, isn't it?
It's a Grom, yeah.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah, it's literally just got knobbies on it, and
yeah, perfect.
Yeah. It's like the most accessible thing ever because it's so low. Like you're never worried you're going to drop it.
If you get stuck, just fucking pick it up and.
Yeah.
So much fun on that. What we can. What is it? 100cc.
It's 125.
Yeah.
So it's like 10 horsepower. It'll do about 60 on the road.
Yeah. Enough, isn't it?
Yeah, it just about does it.
100 to the gallon.
Yeah, well, it's like 140 to the gallon.
Massive,
yeah, it's crazy.
I like that.
Morning, boys.
Hello.
Bloody loads of them. But I've ridden the Fossway a few times, so I know this bit pretty well.
It's quite nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really chill. When I first came down, I still had like road tyres on it and everything. It was fine.
Yeah, we just changed ours because we had like trail tyres. It's been alright all year, Paul, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just got a bit.
Now we've got the sludge.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Use it on the road as well, then.
Yeah. Just use it for everything. I passed my test like a year ago, and I was like, oh, I might get like a 300 rally or something like that.
Yeah.
And I was like, well, I'll just make this work off road for a bit, and then figure out what I want next.
Yeah.
Morning. Is that the last of your group now?
Carry on,
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah.
Lovely job.
Carry on. Thank you very much.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
You boys have a good day.
Is that a monkey?
It's a Grom.
It's a what?
It's a Grom. So it's like a monkey.
Is it?
Yeah. It's like
Wow.
the modern monkey.
Oh, proper cool.
Yeah.
Love it.
Yeah, it's good fun.
Oh, wow. Yeah, that's it. Smile factor's massive.
Yeah, 100%.
Oh, my God.
Super fun.
Yeah, happy days. What, you on your own?
Yeah, I'm just bumbling along today.
Yeah, nice. Yeah, absolutely brilliant fun.
It's a beautiful day for it, isn't it?
Wow,
We're blessed today.
Yeah, it doesn't get better than this time of the year.
Yeah,
really.
Yeah, grateful for it.
Yeah. Well, enjoy. What a result.
Yeah, thank you very much. You guys have a good day.
Yeah, see you.
Take it steady. Sludge. Those guys were super nice, man. Every time I bump into someone on a byway, they're just like the nicest people ever. Those guys look like they're having loads of fun. It's so interesting because with the weather the way it is, every time I ride this, it's different. You could ride this once a week and it'd be different every time. Oh! Lovely bit of single track. Yeah, those guys were super nice, man. That's put me in an even better mood than I already was. Just, we have a habit of isolating ourselves in this modern life, and yeah, I think generations prior to us, to my generation, they had it figured out a bit better, to be honest, because they saw each other all their times, saw their mates a lot. They do seem to, anyway. For the older guys that I know, like what would be my parents' generation, I think they're just better at being humans than we are. Now time for the gravelly bit. I've ridden this many times. Ooh, hoo, hoo. Slipperier than it was last time. Oh, big puddle, big dodge. Nice. Letting my body be the suspension, which it has to be, because I don't know what suspension travel Grom has, but it's not a lot. So this is uncharted territory, haven't been on this bit before. I think some bikers get their sense of exploration. He's doing well to be carrying that kind of speed on that bike. Yeah, I think some bikers get their sense of adventure from like long distances on the road and stuff. For me, I can tell it's this kind of riding that makes me feel like I'm on an adventure, because it feels like I don't know, I feel like an explorer. Not to downplay like big adventures on the road, I think they're awesome too, and I would love to do some more. But this feels like my calling, man. A thought that I keep having is like, do I even need to upgrade my bike? Upgradism, catalysm, consumption, all that stuff, it's usually a bit of a false economy. Like, you usually don't get what you think you're getting, and it usually doesn't do what you hope it will do. Like right now, the Grom's doing it, really. I mean, I know, whoa, there's a lot of sludge. I know a bike with more suspension travel and stuff would perform better, but will it make it more fun? I don't know if the fun factor would be increased necessarily. It should be a different kind of fun. So I don't know, it's one to ponder. I think the big thing is that I want to be able to travel further in more comfort, and I would like to have, you know, suspension that can handle it. I get pretty fed up with Britain, but look at this. Let me clean you off a bit just in case you're not clean. Yeah, like, this is beautiful. And this is a legal, free activity. I mean, it's not free because you need the bike and all the gear and all the other gumph, but give the dogs lots of space. Come on in, thank you. Okay, bud. I think Summer Lane. Yeah. More byways, boys. And look at that. Man, my soul is being cleansed. What a friggin' way to spend a morning. To anybody who's still watching, thank you for joining me on my little adventure. I'd be lying if I said I wasn't having an absolutely awesome time. I'm having the best time ever. And I would implore you to get out and explore, because this is doing so much good for my brain. Not that I would let it influence my decision, because I wouldn't, but I do feel like I'm building a bit of an audience for people that enjoy the Grom content. So a part of me feels like it'd be a bit of a betrayal to go and, you know, trade it in for something else. I mean, in a perfect world, I would keep it and have an additional bike, but how feasible that is, yeah, is another question. If you like the idea of off-roading, but you've sat on like an enduro bike or something, or like any adventure bike, and you're like, oh man, it's just too intimidating a machine, this is what you need. Get yourself a Grom or something like that, or a Monkey, or just like anything, even like a scooter or something. Stick some knobbies on it, some real basic knobbies like the ones I've got. They're not expensive, and then you can just bimble along. Good morning. Thank you very much. Not to get all deep or anything, but it really is moments like this that remind you of like how good it is to be alive and exist. You know, there's a lot of shit things going on right now in the world, but this moment, this is a good moment in time for me. If we're lucky, all of us will get those moments from time to time where life eases up a bit on you and you can just be happy and content for a minute. What do you guys think to me doing a comically long ride on the Grom? Because I've been thinking of visiting some family and giving the Grom like the ultimate well, not the ultimate, but giving the Grom like an adventure bike test. Like, can I do some long distances? Can I do some trail riding while I'm at it? Can I do a bit of like adventure touring with some byways and trails and all that kind of thrown in? I'm really tempted to give it a go, especially because my nan. Where my nan lives in Wales, I know there's loads of great off-road to ride, and where my auntie lives in the Midlands, I know there is also some great off-road to ride, so it's looking mighty tempting. Good morning! Today is determined to put me in a good mood. Taking these beautiful autumnal sights, gang. We've emerged in the beautiful village of Castle Coombe. Whoa, look at that, it's gorgeous. Boom. Beauty. Whoa, look at that scenery, man! Jeez Louise. Where is my next lane, dude? Oh, I'm not complaining though. Look how friggin' beautiful this is, brother. I'm so glad I've got my camera on. I don't think I could describe how beautiful this is. If you're American, you're wondering why the Europeans have like tiered licensing rules and why a lot of us stay on small bikes. It's because of roads like this. A lot of our country lanes are like it, where like if you get tempted to wind out a powerful bike, you're gonna die. I think my missus would absolutely love to join me on stuff like this, which is another ticket in the favour of the bigger bike. Morning, mate! The Grom's loving this cold air. Like, these are steep hills and it's chugging me up them. No sweat for the Grommo. I think people would have so much fun on my bike off-road. Might have to get some food soon. Your boy's getting a bit hungry. Morning, sheep. Sorry if I scared the shit out of you. Sorry. Morning. Yeah, I'd be much more inclined to splash through loads of puddles if I had waterproof boots. I've just got my Doc Martens on and they're, yeah, not really waterproof at all. Hee hee. Hoo hoo. Fun times. Morning. There's no problem at all. Thank you. Down we go. Engines are great, aren't they? That wraps it up, guys. I am back where I started and feeling a lot better. What a great ride to clear my head. The Grom is looking pretty grubby. That Protect shock from a day well spent. Look at that. Thank you guys for tuning in. I know this video wasn't really about much. I appreciate every last one of you who watches the videos. I will catch you all in the next one. Peace. And take care.